Hi, my name is Tiffany Frechette, and I will be demonstrating a specially designed academic instruction in English strategy, otherwise known as a SDAIE strategy. This strategy is in text, and it's also a recall of previously learned knowledge. In this lesson, the students will have to work out a problem on the board with me, give me their input, and then the students will have to work out a problem on their own. And this is just a review of FOIL or distribution. After this is done, then the actual lesson of factoring will be introduced, and there will be a problem worked out on the board with student input, and then they will be asked to work out another problem on their own. And in a real classroom, there would obviously be more than just one problem worked out. Hello class, how are you doing?
Good.
Alright, today we're going to review FOIL. FOIL, if you remember from a previous lesson, is first, what are you doing? No, not that FOIL. Please put it away. Alright, FOIL means first, outside, inside, last. So when we're doing, it's another way of distribution, but you have to do it when you have more than one piece inside the parentheses. I wrote that correctly. Okay, so first, so that's the first two terms. What's x times x? X times x is x
to the second power.
There you go, x squared. And that's how we do FOIL. Except make sure you do inside second instead of first. Alright, and I'm going to have you guys work this out on paper. So you're going to do one on your own. So go ahead and work those out. Alrighty, now that we've reviewed FOIL, now we can do the opposite, which is factoring. No more FOIL. So now we're going to do the opposite of FOIL, which is factoring. Now, we factored before when we do simple numbers, right? So if we want to know the factors of 12, we can divide by 2 and get
6.
We can divide by 2 again and get
3.
Those are the factors of 12, right? Well, your quadratic expressions have the same types of factors. So if we want to know the factors, and just like we started with FOIL, when you factor, you're going to end with two parentheses. How do we get x squared?
X times x.
X times x. So we just factored our quadratic expression. Yay! So now I'm going to have you guys work out one on your own. All right, now that you've had a few minutes to work it out on your own, does anybody have the answers?
Is it 20 or 20?
What do we do first?
Okay, I guess I'll start.
What do we do first?
X X and X and X.
And then 21. What are the factors of 21?
7 and 3.
7 and 3. So again, it's kind of an easy one. We only have the options of 2 numbers. We want 4. How do we get 4 from here? We add or subtract?
Subtract.
We subtract. We want it to be negative, so the bigger number is negative. And that is factoring. Yay, all done. Thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.